I was telling you for Bank Nifty we have not got any entry as per weekly estimate. For Nifty we got the entry as per the weekly estimate, and for the Nifty and Bank Nifty in the both the cases we are getting the trend as down, and both the cases our analysis is suggesting that we must sell Bank Nifty or Nifty. So that is, in both the cases we are getting the similar kind of view to sell that Nifty or Bank Nifty. And I was talking about to you in this summary section, which has the, out of all these 6 studies, how many are suggesting buy and sell. That kind of view you are getting in this summary section. So Bank Nifty 5 per neutral, one is suggesting sell because Bank Nifty has not given clear breakout there. However, in the intraday trend it is suggesting some breakout in this. Now moving to the commodity part. So here we can have the, once you select this equity future, here also we have commodity, and commodity, as most of you know, commodity uh, is partially automated in our tool. So here if you are going to do for the gold, so gold I'm talking about the gold. So gold contract I have loaded, so it is 29,000, 3rd June it is coming here. So 3rd June, so this is for commodity we are going to see, and so it is suggesting to wait for 10 seconds so that it can load the data. And here open price of the gold, what open price it has given today, 29,092, and currently 29,106 last traded. 29,092 is open and current price is 29,105 is last traded. 29,105. So you have to just calculate here. Once you do it, you will get the different views on this, and there's two. Also you'll get the summary section. Summary, it is suggesting that most of the studies are neutral at this point of time, but this view will change once the price moves. So for gold we are getting GAV analysis saying that 29,113 above you should buy, and 29,072 below you should sell. And here 1SD analysis also giving you one view, and it is saying that 105 is none of the cycle. Wait for 29,032 or wait for 29,152. So this view of gold I am saving now. So this is the 1SD view. One standard deviation gives this particular view. GAV gives a different view here. So here, and those are the GAV users, they will be knowing that. In Gann angle and volatility method, the entries whatever you are getting, you may get some quick entry and quick exit in this. However, in this particular things you may not get. And one very interesting thing I used to tell you here, Nifty weekly trade, I'll try everything whatever is possible, Mr. Kannan Venkatesan. For you crude is important, for someone gold is important. Hence for Nifty weekly trend, whatever the things we have given you for this particular week, it is achieved. Morning you got a chance to enter, so 64. The first target has not achieved. First target not achieved. We are 58 level. It has come. Wait for some time. It is first target you are going to achieve. Look into the crude oil part. So crude oil. So crude oil also we can see. This is for gold. Two analysis I have done. So crude oil also we have to see which contract it is. So which contract it is? This is for 19th May contract. So 19th May, so this is the crude oil things. So as I told you, once you analyze, have patience, wait for a trend breakout. If you go to the trade with always restlessness in the mind, you cannot win the trade. That is a fact, you keep it in writing. So that is very important. Your restlessness will always give you bad result, bad experience in trade. That's why I used to say, when you are in a good frame of mind, good comfort level in your mind, please trade, or else please do not trade in the market. Please do not trade in the market. See, Mr. Sisirji is also saying that it is true and fact he has realized. So market will be there, even though you may not exist in this earth, market will be there. So that is a fact. Market is unlimited, and it has, so always sit in the means positive frame of mind. Good frame of mind is highly essential. So open 29,000, sorry, 2,902, and last traded price 84, 2884, 2884. So 2884. So this is I think I am getting some wrong result here. So 2884, and I am not so here just you have to select this commodity and then you move to crude. So and then you have to, I have not selected the expiry date properly, 19th May. So 19th May is the, they have to give some 10 seconds so that it can capture all necessary data which is required for my calculations. So this is for crude oil we are doing. So it has done, and now we'll be moving to the price part of this thing. Open 2902, 2985, 2885, 2902, 2885. So I have to just calculate here. So this is what I have got it here. So this is what I have got for volatility analysis, GAV and 1SD. So 1SD still say that it is not in any of the trend. One standard deviation says that 2902 above you can purchase, 2867 below you should sell. This is the for fast cycle, and I am just taking a screen print of this crude oil. Gold I have shown you, crude oil also I am sending, and I have told you already, commodity is a difficult instrument to hedge. You cannot hedge it, just you have to go with the stop loss. And GAV analysis, this is the thing is given by GAV analysis. So GAV analysis gives you this particular thing. And certain people, those who are using our volatility software for year-long period, they also say that this is highly successful. Crude is highly successful there. They got this kind of reading. So those who are using our volatility software for many years, many people say that they are getting excellent success in this crude also. This crude, specifically crude and gold, many traders, they say that we are getting good success in volatility tool. They stick to that. They have, many have not moved to one standard deviation or any other method. They are stick to this thing. So you can do the positional trade also, but positional trade in the commodity I will never recommend, because it doesn't have any instrument to hedge. When you do not have any instrument to hedge, you may land in trouble. So here also summary section says 4 out of 5 is neutral, 1 is this thing. So you can follow this thing till mid session. When the Europe opens, that time lot many price adjustment can happen. When Europe opens, lot many price adjustment can happen. So you can wait for that particular time also. So we have seen the gold, we have seen the crude, we have seen Nifty intraday, we have seen Bank Nifty intraday. So we do not have any auto trade software, and so we do not have any software which can trade for you. Uh, Commodity hedging of without option instrument, that hedging it is not possible, but you can hedge it with this cross calendars, but that is not a successful technique so far. So now looking to an option, I'll be showing you three different option uh, methods, trade methods here. One is option intraday. So suppose if I am doing a calculation here, Nifty I have loaded, I am just calculating here. It is telling me these are the trends for the day. So currently 80.49. So these are the things it is telling. Daily volatility 0.78. So 15% volatility it is maintaining. So currently 65, 7865 level, if it is falling below 7849 level, then downtrend may bring it to 7800 level. If it crosses 81, it can bring it to this level. So in this particular scenario, if you are going to do a trade, if the price move above 7881, if you are a pure option trader, think of buying 7900 call option. If you are a pure option trader, the price, because with a small movement of the market, if you wish to take some benefit in a very small movement of the market, if you wish to take a benefit, if the price move above 7881 level, buy 7900 call option. Once the Nifty touches this level, so you can able to make some profit. So what premium you should buy and what premium it is trading now? So 7900 call option, if I take it into account, 33 rupees it is trading. So buy around 40, keep a stop loss 27, and these are the targets you can get. So these are the targets, and IV is 15.99 and 15.99 IV. So this is how you can trade in that. Suppose if it is falling to 7849 level, then you can think of 7850 put option. So 7850 put option, you can nearest option which is currently at 42. If you want to buy that put option, buy around 49. So if you are a pure option intraday trader, buy around 49, keep a stop loss of 35.5, and these are the targets. So you are not hedging, just playing with the options. This is for intraday option. Similarly, we have given one more facility for positional options. So positional options also you have a facility here. So number of days to hold. So let me give 2 so that you can say in 2 days what are the movement is going to happen. So if you are, so 2 days what is the movement it is going to happen. So 49 level it is suggesting you to purchase. But if it is going to 7915 level, it will crash down to 7 rupees. That time you can come out. Or else if it is falling down, you have a chances for, because you are in the very last leg of the settlement cycle. That's why you are getting like this. There is a arbitrage opportunity also. Here the arbitrage opportunity says that what is the actual premium trading and what is the fair value of the premium. So how much arbitrage values are there. So whenever the arbitrage value is lesser, means the actual premium is lesser as compared to the fair value. So you should think of purchasing. So here I am seeing for 7,750 to 8,000. These are the all strikes I am seeing here. So in this particular strikes, if I can say that the 7,750 strike is having 7 rupees of arbitrage value, 7.6 rupees of lesser value. 7,800 is having 3 rupees 50 paisa of lesser value. So if I can buy this one at 123.6, 123.6, and I will be selling one 7,800 call option at 87.85. So if this is the price I am buying and this is I am selling, so I will be getting one 7 rupees 60 paisa extra value here. I will be sacrificing 3.5 here. So I will be getting 1 paisa here, 4 rupees and 1 paisa. This is the arbitrage opportunity I can make it. So if I'm selling this 7,800, buying 7,750, so I can enjoy some 4 rupees 10 paisa as a arbitrage value, arbitrage profit here. So this is what it says. This is what it says, but in the beginning part of the series it is quite difficult. So if you means in the last part of the series it is quite difficult to find out any good arbitrage value, but if you move to the May month, I wish to tell you that how arbitrage values are sitting there. May month will have a greater arbitrage value. Here see the arbitrage values in this particular strikes. So 30 rupees, 25 rupees, and put strikes also 24 rupees, 25 rupees. This much of values are there, arbitrage values present in the month of May. But once you approach towards the settlement cycle, that time your arbitrage values reduces. But in this case, it is more arbitrage values are there. Take the benefit of these particular things. Take the benefit of these particular things. Suppose 7,800 you are buying at 200, some 39 rupees is the arbitrage value. So here 23 rupees, 8,000 is having 25 rupees. So if you sell this, so here is 25 rupees, here 39. You are buying this option, selling this one. So by this process, 39 rupees arbitrage value, lesser someone is there you are buying. This one you are selling, 25 rupees will go up, though it is a swap things. So you can say that totally for some 14 rupees you are enjoying here. So 14 rupees you are enjoying here. Similar kind of things also look into the put option side. So these are the intraday basis you can take it these things. I means arbitrage value what I am telling you. In consolidation market it may not reward you properly, but intraday basis whenever you are identifying this 14 rupees 13 rupees value, so take a entry. So this 14 rupees will you will encash if the uptrend is set, and a couple of 3 or 4 targets in the uptrend you can achieve. When the uptrend is set and you are expecting some 2 to 3 uptrend targets are getting achieved, so this arbitrage value partly on 50 to 60% of this arbitrage value we can take into profit. So here what happens, with lesser risk you can still earn a good money. That is the intraday basis you can work on this, and you have to sell it uh, uh, means you have to sell the things after means identifying this arbitrage opportunity. So this is one of the fantastic trading technique. uh, so uh, so fantastic trading technique you can implement for intraday. So arbitrage opportunity always gives a great freedom and great money in this also. So I have shown you for Nifty, I have shown you for Bank Nifty, I have shown you for the crude oil, I have shown you for the gold. So these are the counters I have shown you for the day. And I have also demonstrated that weekly level Nifty has given the downtrend 0.382 retracement below it has gone. It has not achieved the 0.5 or 0.618, but we have entered to the sell side. So I'll just finally I'll show for the finally I'll show for the silver, and I'll end the session with that. So commodity silver. Commodity, you do not have any options to hedge. That is a thing I have made it very clear. So 5th May, this is the price of the 5th May. So let me check it. Yes, it is for 5th May contract. So open 40,300 and 40,098 it is there now. So silver 40,300 open and 40,098 is now. So calculate. So summary section says all are neutral. You have not got a clear trend breakout here. So I think these two also giving me the things because of catchy. So this is the when you can get yes, it is not, I have not updated the tool in my system. So the catchy problem is here. So I can go for means whenever some earlier analysis I have done, so that part of the analysis is being captured here. So that is why. So I have it may I have to wait for 10 seconds. what we are getting for silver. 40,012 below, as per the volatility, it should have 39,524. 40,185 above, it should go to 40,081 in the first cycle. If you are going for the GAV, it gives you a different outcome. So different outcome, and so 40,000 GAV analysis, once you go for 40,098, target 2, target 3. So here price has moved here. So you can say price has moved to specific range here. So that is why the cycle one, someone was asking me before also, if such kind of readings I got it, sell entry is here 40,256 and buy entry is 40,146, then what I should do? So this is not an error in calculation, rather this is a 40,098 is current price, which is in the target 2 and target 3. When such kind of repositioning happens, so this first cycle used to get changes. So this is saying that you can still wait for the next cycle, because even though if you are selling here, so 40,146 will be your stop loss. So it is telling that do not enter the trade now. It is target 2, target 3 in this range is there. But the second cycle will start, that time you enter. So it is 40,020 level. Whenever it will break, that time itself you can sell for 39,827 and keep a stop loss of 40,064. So this is the things if you are going for GAV, because it takes angle from a reference point from different price levels. That's why it is giving such kind of readings. So here too you can see for silver 1 SD, this is the price level as per the 1 SD. So I'll just save this particular outcome for 1 SD, 1 standard deviation. So this is the 1 standard deviation price point we have set. So this is for silver I have shown you. So let us look into what happens in the day end. We'll just reinspect and find it out. As I conclude, I can say that weekly level, what we have given as for 1 SD, downtrend breakout has been given. Only 0.382 level breakout has given. We have not achieved the first target. And Bank Nifty 16,605 we are waiting for. It has not come so far, neither given the uptrend breakout. So with this I'll be ending today's session. Intraday levels already we have taken for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I do repeat it again before I'll conclude. So this is the first. So this is the first thing we have done in this thing. So you can say 1 SD trend says that 7928 we above the uptrend is sitting for the intraday trade, and we have taken a reading when it was between this range 78922 7865. So 68, this is the death zone it was coming. It has very much penetrated, gone to 59 level. So last but one target you have achieved in the Nifty as per the 1 standard deviations intraday trend calculation. So last but one target you have achieved. And GAV also similar kind of things it has given. First cycle you got excellent target. So it was recommended sell when it is being taken. Price was 88. So you are in between this range. 67 range you have come. So you have achieved the third target as per the GAV estimate. Though it was signaling a neutral trend, however, based on these two trends you have achieved this thing. And this is for the gold, and you can say for Bank Nifty, this is for crude, this is for the crude. I think Bank Nifty I could not able to save it, but what was the Bank Nifty readings? You can though it will change now in GAV. So but 1 SD will remain the same. 1 SD readings used to remain same. However, this was what it was telling us that time. It was 16,730 level it was trading. 16,730 level it was trading when morning we got disconnected from the system, and till so now it is at this particular level of 96.98 to 681 level. However, post which it has made us low till 7670 level it has come. So by these things I can say that just you have before point you have not achieved the 0.618 also, but Bank Nifty still have some values, time is there, so look into that. So this is what we can uh, so this is what we can learn in this. So with this I'll